about my background noises. I'm just gonna say that first, but yeah. What is there? Oh my god. Sorry. Okay, hey, Savage Mermaid Unicorns. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry, it's because I ate. But I'm going to be showing you my new slime that I didn't just make it, but I think I did put it on my slime collection video. But yeah, I put more foam beads in there so it has more texture to it. I put that foam bead, I don't know why. But yeah. Let's poke it. Sorry for the background noises. It's not spring cleaning, but we clean our rooms yeah, we clean our rooms today, but I'm tidying up this room, so tomorrow I clean the room, because today we just take out the trash that we left in our rooms and stuff like that. I already did that to my room. My room is next to here, and then this is my room too. I have 2 rooms, I guess. I mostly spend time in this room. Yeah. I don't like my bedroom. But yeah, once we move, I'm gonna make my bedroom nicer. My cousin Kaylee has a unicorn lamp, but I don't know where my unicorn lamp is. I think it's still in the box. We went to Target last time, and it's still in the box, I'm pretty sure. And I know we're moving pretty soon, because my mom said we're moving this year, like in December, or like, we're just gonna be looking at houses, stuff like that. But yeah. We have to get like 3 bedrooms for my mom, my dad, my baby sister or brother that's coming up. Well, my mom's not pregnant, but she just wants to have another baby. And then me, my bedroom. And then the 3rd bedroom is not going to be the baby's bedroom. I'm pretty sure it is, probably, but if not, then the 3rd bedroom is going to be like where I'm going to put all my toys. Or maybe I'm going to give away my toys. I don't know. But I am going to have like little drawers to put my stuff in, my LPS in. Because alright, so next, you didn't even get to see me poke the slime. Oh, there's a space right there. This is I'm really in love with this slime. This is Ashley slime. My cousin Ashley's slime. She left it here when she slept over And then this is my slime. I fell in love with this slime. At first I overactivated it and it wasn't like fun to click and stuff like that. Then I don't know, I think the gold foil helped it. But yeah, I added gold foil to it. But I do have to go see where. So I definitely have a lot of sheets. I don't know if you can see that. Gold foil. So I will. What if I like throw it up? Yeah. Okay, sorry. My face is slow. That wasn't me, that was the chair. I was moving it. Okay. We need to get like a not rocky chair. I mean, I'm wanting a chair where you can't move on it because it keeps on like. Okay. Okay. That's what I'm gonna do. You have to be careful when you open it because you can kind of rip the foil. Okay, the foil went with it. Okay. See that beauty? See it? And some people just lay it down like that. And yeah, basically like that. And then they flip it over. Oh my God. Let's click it. It looks so satisfying. Oh my God. I already added like, hello, I already added gold pieces to it. Oh, okay, so bye.